Mama wakwaba wafreme Addo searching Ministerial na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news.
Eno drone so ba banfa so drone na dey call example person e command kra na bi twere say my way you can compare this year by 2016 e was Assin off 2016 was Assin off no school kwala mako 15 BC your man be antre adan headmaster na ogigi omo registration fee no wadi did that he kwere public news notoriously known we dim kwala no sika ofo na mo kwala mako 15 wako pe bre mo jani akoso mo ba onye skade ma ba so nko register no wadi no unse be kan Israel o kan no asre but obo traumatizing kwala no so wako school na do ye kwatwa them sa classmate for ewrem na went me anwrem bi adan ya teacher na o hwe wani mu no na eso di wo registration fee na o da eso di e de ko bo ne gira ko homa enne akola bi nkyere me say registration fee nti 100 BC registration fee nti 100 wasi ebi ni wasa akola na teacher na ama na nkyere bi say you know all things being equal teacher na ha no act no pension pay so by 1 year yeah so at that particular moment only minister will streamline the economy of the Ministry of Health. In fact, Sikasem on budget, go and check all these years. In fear baby being the only one our accounting background and those things. Sikasem a new ministry not a dossier. Doctors' agitations. In fact, Ministerial opinion honorable Dr. Insiasari, so he's one of in fact he's one of the face of the health system now in this country. But honorable Kokwajima Menu hono Sikasamuni expenditure seriously spending sikani maybe a reduce check about all the ministries friends ministers are all these years. Well, Omanpanyin should target is expenditure for health is so high. And if I have somebody who bet me have one Misika seminar, sky spending over being a swatiti kakra. I just said, let me tell regional secretary. Then he was quoting from the constitution, say anybody who tried to do anything against the financial aspect of the government, by the constitution will not allow you to do that. It is Omanpeni be also who say Nipo Babwana Menenya Sika Amana buying Arani Yenu. That's such person Omanpeni meaning one. It doesn't matter what you say. It's honorable Kopajima Menu Assembly, the infantry me a dream because I'm full so free war in Quebec, but now Omanpenina dream no so they know. So I dare not judge that particular instances. And then Omanpenina full say yes. He's bringing Oko, who my brother, to also to come who or the energy Oko is somebody who is very simple to relate to people. What you say, honorable Kokwajima many reserve kakra. Oko like open door person and cobra, you see a papa, so in that case, no. I'm so much happy to bring Okubo in that system. I'm so much grateful. And the ministry energy tells you something. Americans based on the research that things that we have picked on the ground. But there be a time, baby man, lawyer so too late. Say Empono Kase Resha for number too late. But who part in Peniphobia about comment when we say the lawyer Freddie Blay and is a Kojompiani. Oma comment say too late. And also if before say Bia say it be a bemono, it make impact Bia. Do you subscribe to that? Of course. In the other flip side of it, I would say 60% or 65% is too late. And you say too late. If you use the word too late, what's the meaning of that?
Senkasa Bantem Bay 2 years ago, and the Kaiser parliamentarians.
The best way to go about it, 1 year, 8 months in Grazenka Omampany reshuffle, because they are immediately show weaknesses of their parts.
But also, Mampany won a year or no, that
is what I'm
telling you. He doesn't believe in a year reshuffle.
No, it's not like he doesn't give. He has his target on a target. What I say, me personally, I might not be happy to have international company reshuffling or to now watch. What I say, he is leading and he sees what he sees. Hey, you the papa go for a year campaign, and I never go for a show do year campaign or Ghana. Debbie, Yenani a couple, I always say, Yenani a couple year campaign, and your company a buy. It is a baby, a quiet to say, Nipaka crabby, and any opportunity or system, no musa.
Now, Banasa, because we run an executive press.
And I'm making we say, and I'm sad in Intino, who share system no mampenino a day a buy and one. No, to him, of course, I need not to change them because I want to run with them and see how I can perform. They be about the golden time near from 2017 to 2019. They be attackers as of
yeah. Somewhere my economy no
those states near. Of course, if they start and because of COVID in internet, Gitri Ebemu, the business were confused, don't know what to do. That's why they feel sent a reshuffle. But if you use the word say too later, it's a bit of defense. It also makes me say, I check. Namum a beer or two, no, Yenina Tiana, a bua to send people but they say, why you say no, or they shed their boy and fat bearer. What you say, choosing the system, no, obviously the city and one. And Obi to say, me, I mean, a friend is saying, Deputy Chief of Staff, I'm so much grateful to him the way when he came, Bombazi. And you can see, say, he's one of the guys who has a particular
Bright Kusi, better was say Bright Kusi is a member of the NPP to research for the party. But lawyer Kwame Addo Apia, the Ashanti Regional Secretary, Ewa Hadwe Nensubio, Sansuna.
Addo Apia.
So that was a president. Akoya no bet that's why. Sorry, by TBI is working. I don't actually say yes as a party. I know you're working for the party. To put a summer shadow. Lawyer be Malcolm. Na Apo what to say? Yami Adum. Yame Assi. Yame Assi. Lawyer and then me born the rule and son be a member rebel also watch the one children. Or China Boabi say Yamatwaba a Yabampo. Sana yes, a Bibian Sacra. Bibia now lawyer boy Kumo so far yes how far?
Oh, preparation in the Iron area. So now I be say Union be an amendment and once a crowd as a court for injunction. Now my background, you know, when I made TB injunction, whether the court has granted or your filing process. Now, once they are filing, now when you notice of the filing, you know, I would advise anytime and you terms of the book court, you know, and you're trying, you know, 20th January, and the next thing I almost to a battle by BR2, you know, between 20th January to I think 17th. Yeah. We check here, I'm saying. A month and I say kakra and hajune try month na wan go nya ba amane e de senka e asempa and I was saying to a court be anti me frame because court na clear say yen kom koto na ekwan no da ho enti protagonist no me two pe me amenu akwakwa ene yera amprachum ana amoko ahobane dem say omo ye yansa na 20th but for the injunction
2018 and finance minister no say one no contract no omokotwam
$21 billion US dollars before yet terminate this contract. No, Sikani Agofan here. It's a one year from Babrebe. Yama Boakosu Nana. I want to my dear friend John German Mahama. Was also by President Yati. Abisia, Mamancha Wadiabi. NPP Ababa, na Kumase, Lake Road, to Besonche, na Futukai. Can never be Biaba. It will take you so many hours to reach your destination. NPP Ababa, Lake Road, quite none of the picture to swimming. Baby, I do know a project in Gua. NPP Ababa, I'm on for a certain just I and a and when you say, and I can't, and when you be a sentiment, who told you? Who told you, say, NPP Ababa, and you are sentiment? None of the picture to swimming. Young call Lake Road, yes, Asina, yes, that will, yes. A teacher Lake Road, where a quiet that or television, so no. And down Facebook, also. No one would tell me, oh, radio, one would show me YouTube. One would show me, oh, Facebook, no. And yeah, now TV, no, so no, any baby, any kind, any voter agent, or central agent, where a lake, kind. A quiet, Nana, I do not go Akufo. Ayo, our central agent, how? Eti NDC communicators contact the DSS woman comedy woman. Eko chat for say NPP Ababa wanya she wanya akwa ba kokra ekwa ni binie. We a double road mienu ko na mienu ba. Lake road ni nie NPP aban adaroma eno ya sa akwa wi. Edemu sei. Ufri asokwa buwi ni kwa etom sa. Kwa we ya to lake abano. Ana NPP aban ayo koma ya asanti weji haya ana kwayi eda eti exercise NPP aban taxpayers money besi awatia no wodi bia ya kwai a physical project a obiehu makase me niatro eti mitumra na machesi won mo fa kwanu su di adansa se asew na meka no enokwe wo kwa na kro de kwa dom NPP aban na yeye. NDC time 8 years, not a Futukai. What was your Santifran to Abama NDC for? A Toma Yaquino, and Pat, NPP Baye, Wayaquino. Oh, Gusua, Aquia Canano, or Gusua Warrior. Abisafo, Saquai, more boy among four. Well, how number for no more, Nanas of Gutra. NPP Adaruma, Aquai, Yaya, Adam, cast.